Ever feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of thoughts? Meet Mindrift.ea, your new creative companion that turns your men's drive into actionable insights. Whether you are a brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ea is here to help you navigate to the currents of your creativity. Let's drive and discover together. So first of all you have to do is dive into mindrift.ea. This is the homepage. As you can see here, we have various information like, first of all, what is Mindrift? Mindrift is a community of experts dedicated to generating high quality data for improving EA, comprised of EA tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative EA models. Then, if we come back here, we have a first information like, join the elite improving EA, get paid to write, edit, or annotate content for EA on the platform built for humans with complete time and location flexibility. So also we have here, you can just select writer, editor, or domain experts. We have also here annotators, resources here like blog, fake, and about us here also in the definition of Mindrift. Then if you want to apply, all you have to do is click over here or log in to find your account. If we scroll down, we have other things like, here we have why should you try it. So first, it's flexible. The flexible working approach is a game changer and fits in perfectly with my career. Then we have great community. I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. They are all really kind and helpful. Then the last one is get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in comparison to other platforms. If we scroll down, we have also here fake like about Mindrift, all information you need about Mindrift here. Then how you can get started. I have here some questions with answers here, as you can see. Then we have also qualification here and payment. Then we have hours. So right now all you have to do is click over apply if you are a writer. So apply as a writer, become an AI tutor, get head start in the job market of tomorrow. So firstly you write your name, the first and the last, then write your email, phone number, country, link it in a profile, personal website, and click over here if you are agree in those things. The first one we have, I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. Second one, I confirm that I have read and understood the Mindrift's privacy notice and I give Mindrift my consent to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of invitation users to apply. So to earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ea, you can leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing process, generate idea, and streamline content creation. Here are some specific ways you can monetize your writing skills. The first one is content creation and freelance writing. So like articles and blog posts and ghost writing. Second one is self-publishing like ebooks, courses, and guides. Then we have the third one is copywriting and marketing content and like ad copy and sales pages, also content marketing. And the fourth one we have creative writing like fiction and poetry, script writing. And the fifth one we have here marketing and sponsors content like affiliate reviews, sponsored also sponsored content. And the last one is editing and proofreading areas for improvement. And here we have also, if you want to be editor, all I have to do is click over apply now. You write also here the first name, but before that, earn money editing diverse content to advance EA, enjoy a flexible schedule while getting ready for the world of tomorrow. So first you write your first name, then the last name, email, phone number, country, and LinkedIn profile, personal website, and you click over here if you are agree in those things. Then you submit application and start as an editor. So as an editor, you can use Mindrift to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflows. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift.ea. So freelance editing services is the first one. Like you can just copy editing or developmental editing. The second one is content review and feedback, like manuscript review. And the third one is editorial consulting, like author coaching and content strategy consulting. And then we have fourth one is content creation and management, like creating anthologies and managing editorial project. The fifth one we have educational services like editing guides and ebooks, and the sixth one is affiliate marketing and partnership, like promoting tools and services. So right now, as a domain expert, you have specialized knowledge in particular file. And there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. The first one we have consulting and advisory services consulting. And the second one we have content creation and publishing, like writing articles and ebooks and online courses and workshops. The third one we have speaking engagements and webinars, like public speaking webinars and online events also. And the fourth one we have expert witness and legal consultant, like expert witness. The fifth one we have coaching and mentoring, like one-on-one coaching and group coaching and mastermind. The sixth one we have developing and selling specialist products, like proprietary tools and resources, and also membership sites and subscriptions. The seventh one we have affiliate marketing and sponsorship, like product review and endorsement. And the last one is academic and research opportunities, like teaching and academia or grants and funding. So all you have to do, if you are an domain expert, write your first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, LinkedIn profile, personal website, and you click over those things. If you are agreed, then you submit your application. And that's how it works in the three tutors, like writer, editor, and domain expert. So Mindrift.ea offers a versatile platform for earning money by dropping into creative and intellectual pursuits. Whether you are a writer, editor, content creator, consultant, or entrepreneur, Mindrift.ea can help you streamline your processes, generate new ideas, and enhance the quality of your work. By leveraging its tools and features, you can efficiently produce high-quality content, develop marketable products, and offer valuable services. The platform's ability to assist in brainstorming, organizing, and refining ideas makes it an invaluable resource for turning your skills and creativity into profitable venture. With Mindrift.ea, you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.